Bill, I'm going to turn you loose on this 65 GT350 that was delivered new to Tasca Ford.
Yes, the home dealership of my good friend Bob Tasca III. His grandfather, Bob Tasca I. So important in the high-performance world back in the 60s. And it was sold new by Mutual Ford in Springfield. So this is a Northeastern car. But more importantly, at the Shelby American Automobile Convention, it was a Gold Concours winner. So that tells you just about all you need to know about the condition and the presentation. One owner for 34 years and a featured display car at the SEMA show for Koni shocks. These cars came equipped from Shelby with the Koni shock absorbers. 289, 306 horsepower engine. Started life as a K-Code 271, and Carroll Shelby's boys kind of tweaked it up a little bit. It has the original T10 4-speed. And these cars, as you can see by the bidding, have this is the kind of money that you would have expected not long ago for an R model.
Right.
About 3 dozen of those. But this is a street car, and we are cracking $500,000.
I chuckled when you say Carroll Shelby's boys kind of tweaked it up a little bit. Yes, that's the understatement of the year.
I think you're right, yeah. Want to mention Kurt Vogt, too, another really good guy I've known for a while. Has a Cobra restoration shop in Connecticut, and he has a letter that goes with the car detailing the level of this car's originality. This was not a super limited production car. Over 500 of these street cars were built. But they have not lost any of their luster with collectors.
And you mentioned these.
It's even become greater.
I was going to say, you mentioned that the R's earlier, only 34 of those were built, right?
Like around 34, and then there were a couple of prototypes. Yeah.
I liked his opinion better than yours so far. 900,000, 850, 875, 900,000, and now 900, 900,000, and 875.
Oh.
900,000, now 925, 900 to bid, 925.
You know, as strong as this is, Bill, you got to believe. Oh, look, and the two contenders shake hands there, and I think we're done.
Might be.
That is well above. Not surprising that it's strong money, but it's well above what we would have anticipated for this car, and that has a lot to do with two guys in the room that want the car so badly.